reading and critical thinking. Folk music. In the same way that cultures have their own festivals, they also have their own traditional folk music, a particular style of music that uses different instruments. Unlike other kinds of music, folk music usually develops in local communities. Even in one country, different areas, cities, and villages often have their own distinctive styles. For example, the traditional music of Cairo is different from the music of other parts of Egypt. Distinctive styles developed because, in the past, most people were born and lived their lives in one village or one small area. Music was individual, not influenced by music from other areas. Today, most modern music is written as entertainment. Most folk music, however, has a special purpose. Folk songs, for example, were made up to describe important historical events, to help people get through their day's work, or to sing babies to sleep. Until recent times, folk music was not written down. Children learned it from their families, friends, or neighbors. The musical instruments used in folk also vary from place to place. The people of Upper Egypt, for example, often play the arbaba, an instrument like a violin. The simsimiyya is the instrument of the south area. The oud is common in the folk music of Cairo. It was taken to Europe, where it evolved into a number of modern instruments. Today, travel and modern technology have made it possible for anyone to listen to music, not just from other areas, but from other cultures around the world. Because of this, distinctive folk music could disappear in future. With this in mind, it's our responsibility to do everything we can to protect the traditional music of our countries, our regions, and our communities. Choose the correct answer. Space can be very dangerous, so they shouldn't be given to children. It's fireworks. We scored a goal because the other team's goalkeeper was in the wrong space. The answer is position. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is one of the world's most famous spaces. The answer is landmarks. 40 members of our family got together to space my birthday. The answer is celebrate. A space is someone who plays the drums. The answer is drummer. The concert was a charitable space to collect money for the poor. The answer is event. The guitar is a musical space. The answer is instrument. Whatever you think of Eliot's poetry, it's certainly space. The answer is distinctive. His opinion was supported by space facts. The answer is historic. It was highly space of him to leave the children on their own in the pool. The answer is irresponsible. Find the mistakes in each of the following sentences, then write them correctly. Different areas have distorted styles of folk music. The mistake is distorted and the correction is distinctive. In the past, most people born and lived their lives in one small area. The mistake is born, the correction is were born. Mothers sometimes use folk music or folk songs to sing their fathers to sleep. The mistake is fathers, the correction is children. How do you usually cellophane New Year? The mistake is cellophane and the correction is celebrate. Folk music uses different musical installments. The mistake is installments and the correction is instruments. Thanks for listening. With Nafham, learn easily and simply.